All right, well, we're gonna get started. So this is regarding tender 23-PW-014. I have Councillor Jennifer Miller and Councillor Stephen Robinson in attendance. Thank you both, and thank you for your patience while we got everything in order. We've had 7 submissions for this tender. I will read them in random order, and I will be reading the total, which is inclusive of HST. The first tender received is McRae Excavating Limited for a total of $178,509.49. The second is Core Civil Construction, Inc. for a total of $184,868 even. Third, R.W. Tomlinson Limited for a total of $169,217.50. Fourth is from 10005385521 Ontario Inc. Next Gen Excavating for a total of $97,672.68. The next is BG Excavating Limited for a total tender price of $174,033.22. The next is Campbell's Trucking Limited for a total of $133,366.83. The next is TAA Construction, Inc. for a total tender price of $167,284.64. The next is KCE Construction Limited for a total tender price of $117,708.43. And I believe we have 3 more to go. In-depth contracting, total tender price $99,863.75. Carstone Canada Limited for a total of $328,092.21. And the last submission, Len Corcoran Excavating for a total tender price of $206,174.15. So all of these will be given back to staff to review. We'll make a recommendation to council. If I could have a mover and seconder. Moved by Councillor Robinson, seconded by Councillor Miller. Thank you all. Like I said, this will be referred back to staff and council will be updated. Thank you all.
Sorry, I took up all your time.
Have a good day, everybody.
Thanks, Jennifer.